Here I have OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the about phone section, then go to the version. Here you have to find the line build number, this first one, and tap it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now in developer mode. And now you can find all of these developer options in the additional settings, and here they are. Grant access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable them here and they will disappear from your settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.